Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, AustralianangBisaya. So please like, comment, and subscribe. So this video is like I'm gonna cook a sticky rice. So in Tagalog, ang Bisaya is Biko. So sa Tagalog is I will think it about kung ano sa Tagalog, okay? So tara!
Panoorin ang susunod na palabas kung gusto mong matuto magluto ng biko.
And here's the ingredients, guys. So 1 kilo of sticky rice or yung pilit, 1 kilo. So niluluto namin dyan. So and then we got 2 cans of coconut cream and jackfruit or nangka, and then brown sugar, and we got a half can of condensed for the toppings of our sticky rice. So there you go, guys. So after this, luto-luto na tayo. We need to put the coconut cream first. Let it boil until it becomes thickened. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Put all the coconut cream.
15 minutes later.
Ito na, guys, after 15 to 20 minutes, medyo okay na yung coconut cream, medyo thick na siya. At saka hahaluin lang lagi. At saka next is the brown sugar. We're gonna add the brown sugar. So halo lang ng halo, hahaluin para mahimong latik or parang ano yan, latik na talaga siya. Wow, sarap. Masarap. Halo-haloin, ikot-ikot-ikot lang. And then luto na din yung ano natin, boiled sticky rice. Talaga siya. So ihalo na natin yung ating sticky rice. Wow, nam-nam. Ang charap-charap. Biko-biko tayo. Masarap to sa malamig na panahon. At saka ng coffee. And then with the jackfruit para masarap at saka good smell. Yung amoy. With the music in the background. Woo! So that. Halo-halo lang. Halo-halo. So, halo-haloin lang natin.
Moments later.
Ayan, guys. Luto na talaga siya. Pwede na siyang kainin. Pero may own twist kami na gusto namin na medyo pagod talaga yung or sunog talaga yung nasa ibaba ng yung top na nasa biko. So ang twist namin ay ilalagay namin sa oven. So yan na, guys. Ang twist namin, lagyan namin ng condensed sa top para medyo sunog-sunog siya at masarap. Yan ang twist ng aming biko. Jackfruit, fruit, and condensed. So himas-himasin ng maayos para lalagyan ng condensed. Twist. Mabit naman tayo guys. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Yan. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. There you go. With how many degrees? 220 with set for maybe 20 minutes. So yan guys, we're gonna check it.
3,000 years later.
Guys, our finished product. So, tingnan mo pa lang, ang sarap-sarap na. Mas lali kung kakainin mo. Biko. In English, sticky rice. That's for our dessert tonight. Yum, yum.
Meanwhile, later.
Guys, the two of you, so I'll say the word in English and I'm gonna teach you in Bisaya, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Dog. Dog in Bisaya is
Dog.
Iro. So, I will ask you later
Iro?
who's the one who will answer first.
Iro?
Huh? Iro in Bisaya, dog.
Hero.
Iro.
Iro.
So, Iro. So, cat is Iring.
Hearing.
Iring, cat.
Stealing.
Iring. Iring. So,
I don't think so. That's another word.
what? No.
That's a bad word.
No, it's not a bird. That's an animal.
Oh.
So, dog.
What's
What's the Bisaya of dog? Bisaya of dog.
Elon.
Dog. What's the Bisaya of dog?
Elon.
Cat. Cat.
Ring.
Yes, your cat. So that's it for tonight, guys. Lutong-luto na yung biko natin. So, ang sarap-sarap. So, tara, kain na tayo. Sana mabigyan ko kayong lahat. So, that's it for tonight. So, please subscribe and share my video, AustralianangBisaya. Thank you for watching. Good night.